Hello students, this is Ms. Dowling. I want to talk to you about how to submit a file for this assignment. You do want to learn how to do this. You will have more assignments like this in the future. I'm looking at Canvas for the reading Jane Goodall. As I look at this, first there is the reading. The first thing you want to do is to, of course, read. So you want to read the entire story. If you wish to listen before you do the assignment, you can just jump to the next page. But we looked at this at class, and we especially look at that glossary for any new vocabulary. Of course, you can use your dictionary, and should use your dictionary for any new vocabulary. And one of the questions is, what new vocabulary did you learn? All right. So you're going to read this complete story. When you're finished reading and perhaps listening, you're going to scroll below to complete the assignment. Read the instructions, and the instructions here say to complete the reading chart. The chart is below. You need to click on the file name. So you can look at the file, but you cannot type on it. You can't type on it. So in order to type on it, you have to open the file. So right here in the blue where it says readingchart.doc, I'm going to click on that. Clicking on it will open it in your computer. All right, so I want to click download. So click on the file and then click download. Right here in the blue again. Sorry, you have to do that twice. All right, so I'm waiting for my computer to download this file. And this box is opening up. All right, and I need to give it a name. Okay, now the name I have given it is Jane Goodall Answers. But for your assignment, go ahead and change the name. So I'm going to put HW for homework. You can name it whatever you want. You could put your name there. Whatever's going to help you remember the name of the file. Okay. And you also need to know, where are you going to save this file? Now, I'm going to save it to my desktop. Okay. Desktop is your main screen on your computer. You can click on desktop if it doesn't already say it. But make sure it says desktop. You can save it to another place if that is what you're comfortable with. But for me, desktop makes it the easiest to find. Okay, and remember the file name. Okay, so Jane Goodall, HW. I'm going to put for name, I'm just going to put DD. And then I'm going to click Save. So now at the bottom of the screen, I see this file sitting here at the bottom corner. It is on my desktop, but it's also here at the bottom. So I'm going to open it now, clicking on the file name at the bottom. You can also do this by going to your desktop. And now it's opening. Give it a moment. Okay, so here it is open on my computer. Now, mine opens in protected view. I don't know if your computer will do that, but if you see this message, click Enable Editing. If you don't, you can't type. But I'm going to click Enable Editing. That way I can type my answers. All right. So now that the file is open, I'm going to go ahead and type my answers. I'm typing my answers. Etc. Okay, so I'm not going to type all the answers because this is just an example. The last one is for a paragraph. You're going to click on the box here and just go ahead and type your paragraph. Okay, so let's just pretend I'm typing, I finished my paragraph. Remember, a paragraph should be 5 to 8 sentences. So let's just imagine I'm finished here. Okay, so when I'm finished, I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to click, I can click here on this little picture to save it. I can click File, and I can click Save if I want to give it a different name. Remember, one is the one that you already saved is the blank file, no answers. The new one, if you click Save again, you're saving your answers. If you click Save As, then you'll have two files, the blank file and the file with your new name. But I already gave it a new name, so I'm just going to click Save. All right, so I've done that. I'm going to close this. I can hit X or I can minimize it. I'm going to go ahead and just minimize this. And I'm going to go back to Canvas. All right, so here I am back to Canvas. So I need to go back to the assignment page. All right, so let me go back to my module. Since I just have this file open. Back to module 3, and that was the Jane Goodall. So I'm going to click on that again because I'm trying to get back to the Submit button. Okay, so here we are again. I have to go back to do that. Maybe you already have it open, but I just want to get back to that page any way you can, and I'm going to click Submit Assignment. Now remember, I saved my file on my desktop, so I'm going to click on, this is File Upload, and I'm going to go to Choose File. So at Choose File, I need to tell Canvas where is that file. So I'm on my desktop, okay, and I'm going to scroll down looking for that file, and I remember that I titled it with the words Jane Goodall HWDD. That's the title that I gave it. Okay. Now be careful because I have this other file, Jane Goodall Answers. That's the blank one. I don't want to send my teacher something with no answers. I want the file that has my answers. So I'm clicking on that file. And now I see that name here in the box. And all I need to do is click Submit. And that's it. So I have submitted it. Still says submitting. It might take your computer a couple of minutes or seconds, depending on how fast your connection is. All right. Oh, submit failed. Please try again. Now, I don't know why that happened, but if that happens to you, just try it again. I'm going to choose my file. I'm going to find that file again. Jane Goodall H Homework DD. Okay. Pressing the button again to submit it. Hopefully it goes through this time. And success. All right. So now it says resubmit. That's if you need to do the assignment again. All right. So you're finished with that. Go to next to see if there's another assignment. Again, you're going to see that listening. I'm going to listen to it. There's nothing to submit on this page. So I listen. You listen by clicking here. Then I'm going to go to next. And after that, that's the end of the module. It says congratulations. If you've completed all the requirements for this module, review and study. So I'm going to go back and make sure that I really did finish all the assignments. Okay, and then I'm going to click on grades to see what my teacher, what points I got, and what comments she has for me. All right, that's it. Thanks for listening and watching.